Growing businesses need a hosting solution that is powerful yet easy to manage. Let's look at how business hosting is a simple yet powerful solution over shared hosting and VPS. Meet Joe. He commutes to his business on the bus. The bus is affordable, but Joe must adapt to the bus route and schedule, and he has to share space with other passengers. Shared hosting is similar. It's an affordable solution where you share server space with other websites, and it works great for basic sites with a low to moderate number of visitors. If Joe needs more space, power, and control, he can drive a car. Of course, he needs to know how to drive and maintain a car. VPS hosting is similar. There's no sharing of power or resources, and you get control over the server. But at the same time, it requires advanced technical skills. If Joe doesn't want to deal with the complexity of maintaining a car, he can commute by taxi. He gets nearly all the benefits of driving a car, but he doesn't need any driving skills. Business hosting is similar. If you need more powerful yet less complex hosting that doesn't require advanced technical skills, then business hosting may be the answer you're looking for.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let us start with the OOPS ABAP now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So today mostly I'll be discussing about the theory part, like what is the OOPS, what are the different concepts in OOPS, what is the advantage of this OOPS ABAP in SAP,
Yes, sir.
and now what's the trend currently going on, what are the different concepts available in this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And maybe tomorrow we'll see the practical implementation. Tomorrow we'll start with the practical implementation of this OOPS ABAP concept.
Okay, sir.
So you know what is ABAP? ABAP stands for
Advanced Business Application Programming.
correct. Advanced Business Application Programming. What is this OOPS?
Object-oriented program.
Yeah, object-oriented
Programming.
programming language. OOPS stands for object-oriented programming, and ABAP is nothing but Advanced Business Application Programming. Now, previously, what happened when SAP started from its initial stage?
Okay.
So SAP is able to store the data. SAP is able to maintain the data. But only one disadvantage what SAP used to face is SAP will not be able to connect to the internet interface. Like say for example, today everything, if you look, everything will be in a HTML format, correct? Internet Explorer will be there. Whatever you want to see, the users are mostly like to see the details in Internet Explorer. They don't separately log in into the SAP. They don't want to click on the SAP icon. They don't want to log on into the SAP, and then they don't want to see the details. Whenever they click on some Internet Explorer link, okay, something should happen. This kind of requirement is there. Yes. Previously, what is there in Java and other things?
Yes, sir.
So this web-enabled services are available.
Okay, sir.
But in SAP, web-enabled services are not available previously. Now, then what SAP has done to come over from this disadvantage? SAP slowly moved towards the object-oriented programming. That means, okay, so there are some applications now built. Actually, there is something called WebDyn Pro. You might have heard about a WebDyn Pro, correct?
Yes.
WebDyn Pro is something like to build a HTML screens using SAP data, object-oriented programming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now in OOPS ABAP, here we will not see how to create a screen in the Internet Explorer using HTML version, but here we will learn the different concepts of OOPS ABAP. When you learn WebDyn Pro, you will learn how to create a screen and present it as a URL link. But we are not going to discuss about the WebDyn Pro. We are only discussing about the OOPS ABAP, the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what are the different concepts available in object-oriented programming? First one is inheritance. Second one is polymorphism. Third one, abstraction. And fourth one, encapsulation. Four concepts which will influence the object-oriented programming. So any idea inheritance means?
Inherit. It's with
Generally
basic concepts.
assume in our real-time scenario, yeah,
With basic concepts.
inheritance means,
So means from
yeah,
the
these
fun.
are the basic concepts. Okay. Now say for example, a father is there.
Yes, sir.
A father has some 2 crores property he has.
Yes.
Okay. After that, what will happen? The 2 crores property will go to his son.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The property of father will go to the son. This is called inheritance. That
Yes.
means the properties of parent class here in our programming, if you want to compare with our program, the properties of the parent class will come to the child class.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, child class. So now there are 3 types of inheritances are available. The first one is single inheritance. Next one is multiple inheritance. Third one is multi-level inheritance. Okay, so there are 3 types of inheritances are available. What is a single inheritance? Single inheritance means father property will go to the son. The son property will go to the grandson.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But
Okay.
Okay.
what I'm saying is,
Only single step.
yeah. So assume that this is a class 1, class 2 and class 3. 3 classes are there. This is class C1 or some parent class which has a child class C2. C2 has a child class C3. Okay, now the properties of C1 will come to C2, but properties of C1 will not come to C3. This is called, single level inheritance. Only one level the properties will come. Next one is multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance means, I can tell you like this. There are 3 classes, C1, C2, C3. And the properties and there is another class. It is from C1, some properties from C2 and some properties from multiple. That means one child can have more than one parent class.
Okay.
For example, I will say if somebody asks you one tomato plant is